Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up the week of August 2nd through the 8th in my horizontal planner that I use for journaling. I do hand-lettered inspirational quotes in here, not really journaling. And I still have like summer vibes on the mind, so I thought I would go with a summer. I have one of the original Squad Girls books, Squad Goals. Sometimes you can still find this. There were a lot of these available, and I wanted to do the girls swimming. So I have these pages. I thought this kind of peachy, almost ever so slightly brownish color kind of looked a little beachy to me. So I'm gonna go ahead, plus the colors line up real well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I don't have the big box here I need to cover. So I'm gonna start by covering notes. And I'm just gonna use up the stickers I've got left. So I like to letter something really big right here, relax or swim or sunshine or something appropriate to the spread. Maybe I'll put, since these are clear stickers, they're clear plastic stickers, I do need to go ahead and white out things that I'm covering that aren't relevant. If I go ahead and cover the days of the week, that's no big deal because I want that to show through, but notes I do not. So I think I'll put these two girls playing, I don't know, beach handball or something right here. We're gonna use up sticker pages today, my friends. That is the, I could put, ooh, let's spread them out. Oh, and of course it ripped the page. That's okay, we'll live with it. You won't even notice it. So I'm gonna spread them out and then write like fun or play or team something. I don't know. We're gonna spread them out. And I'll write something in the middle. Actually, you know what? If I can get that off one more time without it ripping the page, maybe I will go ahead and put this where it wanted to go and put something behind her. There we go. Like there's this little palm tree in here. That's cute. There we go. Whoa, come on, come apart. And let's put her, let's put a little pair of flip-flops down here for her. Like nope, not gonna fit. We'll save those, we'll use them. Okay, let's see. Oh, and I have these girls I can use too, like, and her. Oh, I can put another palm tree. Let's put another palm tree. There we go. Okay. And scatter, let's just scatter a few little seashells down here just to kind of build the picture. The goal is to use up these two pages today. That's the goal. So what I'm thinking is I could do the floaties on the blue water on the top two boxes and the girls on the sand on the bottom two boxes. So let's go ahead and put, let's see, let me think about this because I need to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll put her over here. with her flip-flops and a pair of sunglasses. Okay, and then we'll put this one here. Oh my gosh, those colors match so exactly. And somebody built a sandcastle. Who built a sandcastle? She did. And this teeny tiny little pair of flip-flops. There we go. Okay, one page done. We'll come back to these. Whoa, that's a big one. There we go. I'll put her here. These guys need a tree. Let's put a tree over here. We have another sandcastle. Some more. I guess those are some kind of flip-flop. And 3 more pairs of sunglasses. Everybody needs a pair of sunglasses. She's wearing some. She's wearing some. We'll just stick them on there. Okay, so those 2 pages are used up. Now I want to do the pool floaty girls. So here and here, let's put, this one's really big. So let's put this one up here. Whoa. I dropped it. Ah, oh, crud. I always drop these plastic stickers, you guys. I don't know why. They just, I think it's like static. They want to jump onto the page. It happens to me in way more than half of my videos. And probably happens to you guys as well. Just wanted to get that one kind of tucked up into the corner. Okay, and then I have 2 of the same girls that are floating on donuts, so I don't want to put them both on the same page. So let's put them one on either page. There we go. All right, and then this donut girl we'll put up here. Floating on the lazy river, and this one we'll put here. Whoa, no, oh my gosh. You would think I'd learn. You'd think. There. Okay, pretty good so far. I thought I could try to cut strips of this to use kind of as washi kind of a thing. There we go. That looks like a washi strip. A see-through washi strip. There we go. Just to keep bringing more of the color in. I cut it the wrong direction. Dyslexia. There we go. I don't know if I like it or not, but it's on there now, so okay. So then I was looking through the book for boxes to put the attribute, who to attribute the quote to. So when a quote is by a famous person, I want to be sure and capture their name. Record who to attribute the quote to. And I've used all but one box, and I don't feel like this navy blue really matches. So, oh, I kind of like this. I love the weekend. That could go up here above Friday. Fun in the sun. Let's do fun in the sun. This, I love the weekend, matches that color so exactly. I'm afraid you won't really see it very well. So let's see how many tries it takes me to stick this down. Not bad. Not bad. And more flip-flops, more little palm trees. Let's do it. She could use a palm tree. Or two. And put it up there like it's in the distance. Sorry, I just realized I'm off camera. There we go. And our two little beach handball players can use these two little pairs of flip-flops. There we go. Since they're not wearing any, they should have left their flip-flops somewhere. Okay, so I just want a few boxes. I did go ahead and pull the Mega All in a Season book to try to see if I could find a couple smallish boxes to match. Fall, let's go to summer. Here's definitely summer. Those are a little too small. Here we go. I like this one. I just want these little sunglasses to be on top of it. There we go. Okay. So whatever quote I put here, I can then write the name of who said the quote in there. And let's grab the matching box and put over here somewhere. This box is really full. This one's got quite a bit of space. Let's go there with it. And again, I will put her over top of the box. There we go. Okay. Yellow. I don't really have anything bright yellow on there. I might have to go outside of summer to a different season. That's almost the same blue. What about fall? Maybe there's like a sandy brown in fall there. That's pretty orange. That pink one's pretty. There we go. Let's use this one. It's winter, but hey, if it works, it works. Let's put this one. I was gonna put it there, but then these two match almost exactly, so I think I'll put it here. There we go. That looks pretty good. That gives me places for 3. That's not bad. I don't really think I need any more than that. She's got a little drink. Is there anything else I want to snag? I don't think I do. I think that looks pretty good. All right. So I know that was pretty quick, but yeah, I think it's done. I have space to write, you know, a nice big quote on each day with some different lettering pens. So let me show you how I'm going to put it in my planner. Since I chose to use these pages that aren't from my main lettering planner, there we go. I'm just going to write for right now. So I'm kind of keeping these pages, since I'm not using them, I'm kind of keeping them pristine so that if I want to use them next year, all I have to do is redate, which would be super easy. So I'm not gonna glue these together and Frankenplan this in. For now, I'm just gonna leave it right like that. And for this one, I don't know yet what I want to do on the 9th, if I'm gonna want to use this page or the slightly more pinky pressed florals page. So I'm gonna leave those alone for now as well. So there we go. There is my pool party inspirational quote hand lettering horizontal for the week of Monday, August 2nd through Sunday, August 8th. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you, especially if you've been following along on my lettering challenge, to start to think about how you can get yourself a safe space to start lettering in your planner. This has been great for me. Taking a deep breath and throwing some hand lettering into one of my more established planners, like my catch-all or my dashboard. You really got to screw up your courage for that, at least I do. But this is kind of a safe space for me to get more comfortable with my hand lettering skills, and it's working so far. I'm loving it. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.